In construction, backlog is often viewed as a sign of success. Contractors proudly talk about having 6 months or even a year of work lined up. And while backlog can be a positive indicator, many contractors misunderstand what backlog actually represents. Backlog is future work. It's not guaranteed profit, and it's not guaranteed cash flow. A company can have a large backlog and still experience severe financial stress if margins, production, and billing systems are weak. One of the biggest problems contractors face is chasing volume instead of profitability. In order to keep crews busy, companies sometimes accept low-margin work, underbid projects, or overload their operational capacity. The result is growing revenue without growing stability. As backlog increases, operational strain often increases as well. Crews become overloaded, scheduling conflicts appear, supervision weakens, communication breaks down, and administrative systems struggle to keep pace. At the same time, cash flow pressure begins building quietly. Mobilization cost, delayed billing, retainage, vendor payments, and payroll timing all affect working capital long before projects are completed. This is why backlog alone cannot measure financial health. The quality of backlog matters far more than the size of the backlog. Profitable contractors focus on healthy backlog. That means projects with strong margins, manageable schedules, reliable billing structures, and operational capacity that matches the workload. They review projects' gross profit before accepting the work. They analyze staffing availability. They forecast cash flow alongside backlog growth. And they avoid taking projects simply to stay busy. Because an unprofitable backlog creates future financial problems that simply have not surfaced yet. The longest construction companies understand that growth without control creates instability. They build a backlog strategically with visibility into profitability, cash flow, and operational capacity. At the end of the day, backlog should create confidence, not stress. A profitable backlog only happens when contractors prioritize margin discipline, financial visibility, and operational control.